You say you don't know if Norway is predominantly white when asked by a member of the United States Senate.
Norway is a predominantly white country, isn't it?
I actually do not know that, sir, but I imagine that is the case.
Okay.
That causes me concern about your ability to understand the scope of your responsibilities. You must understand the inference, the reasonable inference that the American public is drawing from the words you speak, much less the words of the President of the United States. We are just having celebrated the birth of Dr. Martin Luther King, who spoke about the effect of racism in this country and words that are motivated by racism. For so many reasons, they are harmful. They have led to death. At their mildest form, which is not mild, it suggests to one group of people that they are inferior, and to another that they are superior to their fellow man. This is a pivotal moment in the history of our country. When we are having discussions about whether the people of Norway, and I will use your words, Madam Secretary, and you spoke about how they were referred to as, by contrast to the people of Africa and the various countries, the 54 countries of Africa, and Haiti, and we speak of them, and you've spoke of them, according to the President, as the people of Norway. Well, you know, they work very hard. The inference being the people of the 54 states of Africa and Haiti do not. That is a fair inference. And you run the Department of Homeland Security, and when you say you don't know if Norway is predominantly white, when asked by a member of the United States Senate, that causes me concern about your ability to understand the scope of your responsibilities and the impact of your words, much less the policies that you promulgate in that very important department.